how to disable Reel Remix on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Reel Remix on Instagram. Let's dive right in. Open up an Instagram app, then go to your profile in the bottom right corner, then tap on the three lines in the top right, and now you'll need to scroll down and then you will find the sharing option. Just tap on it, and then if you are an avid reel sharer, if you like keep on posting reels, then you'll find the disabling reel remix option right here. So you just need to tap on it and toggle it off. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.